Marine mammals, such as whales, dolphins, and seals, are among the most recognizable ocean animals. These creatures share several characteristics with land mammals, including being warm-blooded, breathing air through lungs, and nursing their young with milk. Whales, the largest animal on our planet, are categorized into two main groups: toothed whales, like orcas and sperm whales, which have teeth for hunting and capturing prey, and baleen whales, like humpbacks and blue whales, which filter their food through specialized comb-like structures called baleen plates.